an awful day today. With all this rain. We recording yet? Oh, hey, this is Dan Herb here. We're live at Dayton Hamfest, Dayton, Ohio. We're checking this Hamfest thing out. We're wondering if this thing is actually going to do anything today because today it's raining. It's looking pretty bad. So I think it's still going to be a good turnout. No matter what, these people love coming out to this Dayton Hamfest. No, watch out, camera girl. You're going to fall down and hurt yourself there. Still, we can go off and drinks later. Oh, hell, okay. Yeah, so let's look around here and take a look and see what else we can find. And maybe we'll talk to somebody or something. Or why am I even here? Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to Bucket's Garage. Today, we're in Dayton, Ohio at the Xenia Hamfest. We're going to check it out. We're going to walk around and do exactly what we did last year. I'm going to try to be different, but we'll see what I can find. And it's just starting. It's like 7:30 or something right now. So we're going to walk around with Camera Girl and I, get a little wet because it's storming. Yeah, let's go look. Good, how you doing?
Good. Got a little bit of everything. Old game sorted out here.
It's raining, but we're still having fun. We're still looking. And the radio's on.
You know what time it is.
Oh, I can't see my colors. Quack, quack, I got my duck at the Hamfest today. Quack, quack. Oh, I'm a mud duck today at the Hamfest. I'm a mud duck. That usually makes a good one. Let me see this Turner. Huh, look what they can make.
Made one of those.
They chase a balloon with. Oh! This was your first robot. Artificial intelligence. The first one. Yeah, that's me, Berthan. Yeah, you could use one of those radios every day and never run out of radio to use. You got to show your dad that one. He's got a bunch of those at the house.
Sure.
I did. Probably had Okay, looking around over here. There's buckets. Oh, I thought he was talking to me. This is not talking to me. Yeah, it's getting busy, guys. Check it out. A lot of people looking around, buying stuff. Sun's come out. Yeah. Muddy. But, you know, I think I'm going to go look around, see what I can find, get some bargains, you know, stuff I don't need. Yeah. You know how that goes. Okay, camera girl, cut! Makes people look up. Okay, guys, I'm not really sure if I'm cutting camera girl and I's head off, but I figure we're gonna go around, take a look around here, see what kind of trouble we get into, possibly. Yeah. So, anyway, I'm already seeing the stuff I don't need. I'm not gonna get. Keep walking. Keep walking. All right, guys. We'll see you when we find something interesting. I'm being filmed. Yeah, we got to take care of collateral damage here. Yeah. Well, it's a little muddy, but it's starting to dry up, guys. My feet are soaked. I think I'm getting prune feet here. That's for sure. But yeah, now we're going to go on the circle track here. See what we can find looking around. The 2024 Dayton Hamfest. Just like Dan Earp would say it. I think. That guy's weird. You know, I could do a better job than Dan Earp. That's right. I should be a newscaster. It's a news. Yeah. All right, we're walking around here. Actually, we're going to go talk to this gentleman over here. He actually looks like he could talk. So, what do you think of this Hamfest there, sir?
It's wet.
Yeah, we know it's wet. It's obviously we can see the rain.
Yeah.
You enjoying yourself with this show?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. And
Been doing it since 2002.
2002. Awesome. You make a lot of money yet?
No,
No money yet.
very little.
Well, today's only the first day, isn't it?
Yep. And hopefully it'll get better.
Okay. Well, thank you for talking with us at Fix 8 News.
Not a problem.
How about you, sir?
And we make lots of money. Already made a fortune.
You made a fortune.
Yeah.
Look at that. This man made a fortune already.
Yeah. Yeah, we sold half of what we got.
So half what we got. Well, look at that. We're already having fun, and it's only 7 o'clock here at Xenia, Ohio. Okay. More news live in an hour. Now we're back to the weather. Oh, hey. Hey, what are you guys doing up there? Hey, Well, take a look around. Guys, it's Betty again. It's Betty. Betty's beautiful again. Betty is holding tubes again. I did this last year. Why am I doing it again? But I like Betty. Look at her smile.
Drill heads had, this is just one data.
Where did you get those out of? Those tubes, where did they come out of?
They're some miniature vacuum tubes. I'm not sure what. I'm not sure I understand.
What's that? Oh, I never seen them that small before.
Yeah, there's some miniature vacuum tubes.
That is really cool.
Yeah, so there's necklaces, clip-on earrings, whatever.
Ain't nothing but a hound dog. Rocking all the time. Yeah.
Give me the job. You better watch it because the cameras are rolling nowadays.
Wow. How much are your parts radios? Oh, by the box? How much is a box? I didn't even go that far yet, but
I don't know if I've ever filmed our Airbnb, but here's our Airbnb. Nice 50s style house, living room. Now I feel like going to the basement. Driveway. Doors.
well, guys, I'm hammed out. I can have enough ham in me. Oh wait, that's not the right thing. Hamfest. This is the amateur radio show. I'm done. It's hot. It's sold out. Just got rid of everything. Gave a lot of stuff away for free. Yeah, give away a lot of things. So we're done for this year's Dayton 2024 Hamfest. And I need to drink more water. Yeah. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the channel. Please subscribe. Please like. That's all you gotta do. And we'll see you guys next time on Bucket's Garage. Thanks again. We'll see you later.